Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, I will show you how you can send files via email on Proton Mail, for example, images, photos, or videos, for example. So let us get started. Log into your account on Proton Mail and click on that new message button here in the top left corner inside your email inbox. That is going to open that window here in the bottom right corner, where you will be given the opportunity to start, for example, with the recipient's email address here. Below, type in the subject of the email, and also below here in the text box, some text of course for the email. But most importantly guys, you may add, for example, or attach video files or photos or images to your email to send that to the recipient. Simply click on that paperclip icon here, locate the given file on your computer. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to upload that video file here with a size of approximately 5.95 MB. Wait for the upload to be finished, and after a moment, simply confirm by clicking on that send button here in the bottom right corner. And that's all to it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.